Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Monster Form variant. First, let's get you transformed. To begin, you'll need to meet certain conditions, perhaps reaching a specific level or completing a quest. Then, find the activation ability, usually a button press or an item use. Make sure your power resource, like Rage or Mana, is at least 50% full before attempting to transform. It's a quick process, taking less than 1 second to shift. Once transformed, you'll immediately feel a surge of power. Your strength might increase by 25%, and your movement speed could jump by 10%. You'll unlock a new set of abilities, including powerful area of effect attacks and single-target devastators. Plus, you'll gain a substantial boost to your defenses, reducing incoming damage by up to 30%, making you much harder to defeat. Strategic deployment is key to maximizing your monster form's potential. Save your transformation for challenging boss fights or when facing a large group of enemies. Use your new crowd control skills to stun or slow multiple opponents, giving you a tactical advantage. Focus your enhanced attacks on high-priority targets, often dealing double the damage compared to your normal form, ensuring swift victory. Your monster form is powerful, but temporary. Most transformations last for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, so keep an eye on the timer or resource bar. You might revert automatically when the duration ends, or if your health drops below 10%. Plan your engagements carefully, ensuring you can finish the fight or retreat safely before your formidable power fades, leaving you vulnerable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.